Hey guys, it's Amanda from Women's World, and it is time for another Stitch Fix box. I've been getting them and I haven't had time to do the videos, but I'm going to do one for y'all tonight. So here we go. This is, I'm hoping, some spring stuff because I'm tired of this cold winter and rainy. What is up with the rain? Maybe they sent me some rain boots. I don't know. First thing I got is long sleeve. It's navy blue. Ooh, it's soft. Let's see. Excuse my pajama pants, but I didn't feel like changing. I mean, it's okay. Let's see how much it costs. It's $48. It ain't worth $48 to me. This is It's a tank top. I don't really like it. I'm not even gonna try it on because I don't like them colors and I don't like the way these little straps are so skinny. How am I supposed to hide my bra straps? Kind of like now with my hair, I guess. Well, this is okay, but it kind of reminds me of my grandma and what she used to wear. Now, I know flowers are in, but this is like, and it's thin. I'll have to wear a stupid tank top up underneath it. And that'll just make me feel like I got on all this stuff. And it ain't for me. The red one, the red and blue is $38. That one's, the mustard's $34. And they sent me some jeans too. I mean, they're kind of cute, but I got like 3 pair like this. They sent me a pair like that last time, and I really like them, and I wear them. But I don't want another pair just like them. Kind of like to have some shorts, to be honest with you. Some jewelry. Now, you know, I gotta really love jewelry to keep. I can figure out what to do with it. Okay, so I guess, well, I mean, it's cute. It's a little different. It's $34, so I already had to pay $20 for a styling fee. So I might as well get something out of it. I don't know. I don't know who my stylist is, but I sure wish they would give me a new one, because it's really rare that I love what Stitch Fix sends me. And I mean, like, for their clothes to be so expensive, I mean, you gotta love it. You would think if they keep sending me the same kind of stuff and I'm not buying it, they'd send me some new kind of stuff. Okay, so if I bought everything, it would cost $139 plus the $20 that I pay in a selling fee, which would be $159, which isn't bad if you really like the clothes, which I don't. I like pink. I really like pink a lot. They never send me any pink. I don't even send me any turquoise. So I think I'm gonna have to pass on most of this. I might keep the necklace. Y'all let me know what you think. I'm not really sure. I'm not impressed. I think I get less impressed every time they send me something. But anyway, y'all give me your comment and your feedback, and thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Hit the arrow. You can share on your Facebook. You can share on your Twitter if you want to. I would appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. And let me know how y'all are liking your Stitch Fix boxes, because I'm just having issues. See y'all later.